Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add a play again button to the Pong game. Right now, when lives are equal to 0, the ball costume changes to game over. So we're going to add a play again button so that you can restart the game without having to click on the green flag. So to do that, I'm first going to create a sprite. And here I already have a sprite that looks like a button. I'm going to change the size and location of this sprite. I like to change the size here. I'll change it to 60, and then I'm going to center it. Alright, pretty comfortable with that, and I'm going to use that color. I'm going to add some text. Play again. I'm going to center that. I'm going to change the color as well. Maybe. Alright, I'm okay with that. So now I have my play again button. I'm going to add some code to this sprite. So I want this sprite to appear when lives are equal to 0. So let's start off with that block. And then I'm going to use an if then else statement inside of a forever loop. So if then else statement. So if lives are equal to 0, then I want this sprite to show. Else I want it to hide. And in addition, right, I want to be able to click on this sprite. So when this sprite is clicked, I want to reset the lives to 3. So set lives to 3. And also, I'm going to use a new block that I haven't used before. I'm going to broadcast a message. And I can title this message. I'll call it Play Again. And the broadcast will make sense in a second. So now I'm going to go to the ball sprite, and this is where the broadcast message makes sense. It says when I receive play again, I am going to change the game over costume to the ball. And also, I'm going to give the ball costume its original location and direction. I'm looking for the direct point and direction. Here it is. Took me a while to find it. I'll just type it in, 135. And this should do it. Let's try it out. So I'm going to bring the lives down to 0. There it is. Play again. And sure enough, it works. Perfect.